are sitting there glaring at me, I'm going to do. I think 2 minutes 13 is that bubble. Good luck, pilots. Arm your quads. Live on the tone in less than 5. Down to just one, FPV Davis. Using that last quali as practice for Championship Saturday. Boom, across that line with 36 and 3. We got a 28.7 the last time around for FPV Davis. His TQ time, 3 laps, a minute 25. That's 85 seconds. That's sub 30-second laps, and he's already done it here with a 28.7. And he is down. Let's retrieve some quads, and they tell me there's one more heat to go. We will get to that. And a couple DVR reviews. Shannon tells me there might be another one, so maybe you want to be 60 seconds. Still at that 2 minute 13 mark. So I can tell you that, well, there's another one I have to check. There's an unknown pilot that I have in a Facebook message that someone brought up that I have to DVR review. There's an unknown. Then I got DVR reviews for Caleb Skydive, Sunny FPV, looks like Carnage, JT, no, I already did the JT one. K Mead, Pilot Who from this morning, McFly, and Rody FPV. Those are the pilots that I have DVR reviews in question for right now. And Rody FPV is the one that we think is inside of the top 64. That is the one that we're going to do here in just a moment. All right, pilots, arm your quads. Let's go live on the tone in less than 5. We're at the midway point, a minute in, minutes still to go. We had a 36.7 for an engineer on that first lap, a 43.1 for Hyper FPV. Three seconds, 2 seconds, 1. That is the run. When they cross over, they are done. We're going to have 4 laps in the session here for Hyper FPV, a 34, a 34, and a 31. And we're going to review that one as we were doing another DVR review. And I believe that would be a good run. We will. We didn't have judges on it, so we will play it back. So the time is now 5:48. So 7 o'clock on our Facebook page, I'll be posting the top 64 unofficially and our revised schedule. That'll be at 7 p.m. My plan is to post that. We do have multiple DVR reviews. Let's make it 8 p.m. By 8 p.m., the top 64 will be posted. And after the top 64 are posted, we will go from there. Right now, unofficially, what is posted on Live Time is somewhat correct. If you think there is a marginal issue and you're not on my DVR list, you're going to need to see me because it has already been unofficially posted. I do have DVR reviews that are going to change that. So what I'm basically looking to post at 8 o'clock is our final 64. And hopefully our signal assignments as well and schedule. That'll be by 8 o'clock. That is it and all for qualifying. Day number 3 in the books. Thank you to all of our quad retrievers, all of our volunteers in judging positions, and many, many more. A great team that I work with, once again, pulling off the impossible. We got a little bit of sunlight to fix the course, and we will see you 8 o'clock tomorrow for team racing. Who has more fun than us?
Hey everybody, I'm David Roberts, president of Multi-GP. We're here at Sebring, the Sports Expo, where we're having our first big Multi-GP